Hello friends and teachers, my name is Sanvi Patel. I made this crane. I made this a Duplo kit in Robofun Lab Ahmedabad. Let me show you how it works. This makes the crane go up and down, and this one makes it go front and all around and also back, and this one makes it go up also, and it makes it go down. Thank you.